guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, what I'm going to do today is I want to make a farmhouse sign, and I'm going to put it, it's really not a farmhouse sign, it's a farmhouse like tray. You can use it to serve with, but I'm going to use it as decor to set up, I think, in my kitchen. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this really cute farmhouse. It would even be Tuscan or French country. Last fall I picked this up at Target's Dollar Spot, and you can see, and inside it just says, "You are my home and my adventure all at once." Okay, and I think it's really cute and I love the color. So I wanted to put, I was on, and I'll link in the description box where you can get this free image, but I was on Google and I saw this, and it is like a postcard, and I think it's in French. It just says postcard up here, and then it says seasons, and it has like a little stamp there, and the rooster. This is so farmhouse, French country, and Tuscan, okay? So you'll need one of those. I just printed it out on regular paper, printer paper, okay? Then you'll need some Mod Podge. I have the matte. I think I'm going to use matte this time because I don't want it to have a real big gloss to it. And you may see Maggie running around. And then you'll need some cling wrap, okay? And then you'll need a foam brush and one of these brushes. So let me check on her, and then I'll be right back. Okay, what I'm going to do is take this, and what I'm going to put, I printed this out to be, I think it's like, well, an 8.5 by 11. And I'm just going to put it right in here like this to hide this writing, because I really don't want to repaint it, because like I said, I love the color of this wood. So I'm going to open up my Mod Podge. And I'm just going to get a foam brush. And I'm just going to cover this whole bottom with this matte Mod Podge. And I'm not going to get it like soaking wet or anything, just put it on there. Okay, then I'm just going to take this picture, like I said, that I printed off. Going to put this right over top of here, try my best to get it straight. Then I'm going to put this saran wrap over the top. I've done this many times before, and then go straight out. If I have some wrinkles, it really won't bother me because I like things to look old. Now I can come under here. At the very bottom, I needed to get a little more Mod Podge. Just put this down. Okay, then I'm going to just lift this up and lay it down. Then I'm going to go back in with this bigger brush and just cover the top of my picture and seal this right in here, and just have a really light hand. It will seal it. And it will protect it. You could use gloss if you wanted, but I really liked the matte and wanted to use the matte. Okay, now that I have that on there, I'm going to put this back on top and just the saran wrap and smooth it out. I don't mind if I get some wrinkles and bubbles. Just be careful when you lift it up, because to me that just makes it look old. But this really is an easy way to do this. And just be really careful because I'm out of ink and I don't want to go to the store. Okay, so this is what we're getting. Need to get this one corner, wipe it over just a little bit. Your color will sort of fade a little bit, but that's all right. Okay. All right, now I'm going to take this into the bedroom and use a hair dryer on it on probably cool, high, and maybe bump it up to warm, and then I'm going to take a baby wipe and just sort of clean around this edge, but it should dry clear. I'll be right back. Okay, here it is. I really love how this turned out. You could use it as a serving tray if you wanted, but I'm going to use it as a piece of decor and stand it up. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it in the kitchen. I've looked in my hutch. I may put it in my hutch. I really don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I love it. It's a really simple and very cute little DIY that you can do. So like I said, I'll put in the link in the description box where you can get this free image off of Google and just print it out. Like I said, I put it on regular printer paper and I think it turned out wonderful. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.